Hi, how are you? In this video I will show you how can you design the Squarespace header button. So I have the code. So at first I need to go to here, the pages, and under that I need to go to the website tools, and then I can see here the custom CSS, and then we need to put here two code, only the CSS code. There have no JavaScript code. So I have the code, so let me copy the code and paste it here. You can see we got the header button design. So it's this code for only for the desktop. If I will go to the mobile version, then if I will go to the menu bar, we can see that the button design here is look like as the previous design. So I have the mobile code as well. I just need to put the code here, and then I can see the mobile button design as well, the change. So you can easily use this code and you can make your header button look like that. So you will get the code on my video description. Thank you so much.